Hello everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Homestead. My name's Terry, and today we are going to make some gingerbread cookies out of cake mix. We was up in the Smoky Mountains a couple weeks ago, and we went to the mill, and I found this recipe. It was attached to this cookie maker. I wanted the recipe, so I bought it. So today we're going to make these. It's called gingerbread cookie recipe made out of cake. What we need, I got it ready right here. We need is 1 box of spice mix, cake mix. I got that at Walmart for about $2. And then we're going to need a half a cup of softened butter, and then 1 cold egg. Let me get the egg. Okay, there's my egg. And we're going to get with it. Okay, we went up to the Smoky Mountains to see all the colors. It's really pretty up there this time of year. So if you ever get a chance, go up there and drive to the mountains, have a good time, have a picnic lunch up there. It's really beautiful this time of year. Okay, got 1 cake mix. Make a hole in the middle. There we go. Go ahead and put the butter in there. I've had this butter sitting out a couple hours, so it's really soft. Okay. I got my oven going. It's set at 350 degrees. There's the button, each buzzer. It's ready to go. I got my pans. You're supposed to line your pans with parchment paper. I've got that all done, ready to go. Okay, there's the egg. And we're going to mix this all up and put these scissors back. Okay, it says to mix it until the ingredients, until the dough comes together. It's going to take a little while, so I did wash my hands, so don't freak out on me. Use a fork. Oh yeah, it's coming together pretty good. Never tried making cookies before out of cake mix, but apparently it's a thing, and a lot of people do it, so these turn out pretty good. I'll probably start making cookies out of cake mix. I make pies out of cake mix, cobblers, and they're really good. So why not cookies? And you can get cake mix a couple dollars for Walmart brand, or go over to Aldi's and get their brand for under $2. Notice my chickens back here. They're pet chickens. These flies not crowing. Alright. I think that's good. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to leave this in here. We're supposed to let it chill for an hour, but I already got some in the refrigerator, so I'll get those out. We need this out of the way. Whoops. Got my flour ready. Go ahead and get my flour ready. Okay. set this in the refrigerator and get my other bowl out. Okay, this is the first ones I made. I think I left it in there too long. Yeah, I left it in there too long. So I'm going to wait until this softens up a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, I've left my dough soften up. You leave it in the refrigerator a little bit too long. The recipe says leave it in there for about an hour. Mine is in there a little longer than an hour, but here we go. Finish that now. Alright. Lightly flour it. Okay, and we're going to roll it out. Put some flour on my roller. It says roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch. It doesn't say how many it makes, so we'll just wing it. I'm making one heck of a mess. That looks good. Let me move this out of the way. One of my pans ready. My spatula. Got my little dude. One. Look at that. Perfect little dude. There we go. I think I can get 3 more on there. Oh, Sophie's little leg. Fix him up. Okay, one more and then I'll put the rest back in the refrigerator with the other dough for later. These are supposed to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, and then you can decorate them. My kids aren't home, so they'll decorate when they get home, but I'm going to show you what they look like before they get decorated. Squeeze one more in there. That dude's little arms didn't do good, but that's what happens. I never said I was perfect. Far from it. Alright, there we go. And there is, oops, my pan of gingerbread ice. And we're going to pop him in the oven. We're just cooking for about 8 minutes. Computer, set me a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now. By the way, time goes faster with music on. Just say, play music.
Can't do that. It's copyrighted. Alright, we'll be back when those are done. I'll clean up my mess. Okay guys, my gingerbread cookies are done. I probably shouldn't put so many in the plate, in the pan. Look at that. I'm going to let them cool off before I take them out. But that one broke. This is still eatable. Edible! Proper English. But there you go. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. We'll let them cool off and we'll take them out of the pan. And if kids want to decorate them or eat them, that's up to them. But let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.